How are you all? I hope you all have revised and learned properly pronouns, which was the last chapter which we have done. Have you all done the exercises which I have given? And for homework also I have given one exercise. So all of you please do the exercises in your copies and complete your work. Okay. Now today we are going to start a new topic of your English language. So the topic for today is articles. That is the chapter 9 of your books. Articles. Now what are articles? Let's see this sentence. I saw a bird. The bird was sitting in its nest guarding an egg. In this sentence, I have underlined some words. The, and. These are only articles. And the are called articles. Now, and an are called indefinite articles and the is called as definite article. Now, these articles are used with nouns, whether it is a common noun, a collective noun. So, it is used with nouns. Where is used with countables singular begin with a consonant sound. Like countable nouns we have studied in the class, countable nouns which you can count, singular for a single person and begin with a consonant. All of you know consonant B, C, D, F, G. So beginning with a consonant sounds, is written over there. Where, for example, a girl, a pen, a uniform. Now here you might be thinking, why you? Uniform starts with you. So why uniform? Because in the pronunciation, when we are pronunciating, it's coming uniform. That is, Y is coming in the pronunciation. Again, in the next example, a 1 rupee note. 1. O is not coming. It's not coming on. It's coming 1. 1 means W-O-N. Remember that word? 1 rupee note. So that is why this is also a written as a 1 rupee note. A university. Why university? Starts again with, pronunciation is coming as if it's starting with Y. So a girl, a pen, a uniform, a 1 rupee note, etc. are called as, are placed in a countable noun, singular, begin with a consonant sound. For example, if I say milk or if I say honesty, will you write a? No. Why? Because they are non-countables. They cannot be counted. That is why they are not written as a milk or a honesty. Now, coming to the next point, an. Where an is placed? An is placed before countables. Here also countables were there. Singular. Here also singular was there. Begin with a vowel sound. Now the difference is, here the words were beginning with a consonant sounds. But here the words are beginning with a vowel sounds. And how many vowels does an English alphabet have? 5. A, E, I, O, U. So the words beginning with a vowel sound are called as, begin with an. For example, an orange, an apple, an egg, an honest person, an hour. Now look here, an honest. Do we say honest? No, we say honest. So honest pronunciation comes, H is silent, O is pronunciated. An hour, H is not, it's not hour, it's hour. So O-U-R is pronunciated, H is not pronunciated. That is why it is called as, it is used before an. So, have you seen the difference, children? Articles are used with nouns. A is used with countable singular begin with a consonant sound. An is used with countable singular begin with a vowel sound. Now that is the difference. Now, if I say a and the is not used with the proper noun. Proper noun like names, like my name, like your name. No a and the will be used. Or uncountable nouns, where nouns are not countable. Just I told for milk and honesty. Or abstract nouns. So, it is not there Like water. If I say water, a water, will you say a water? No. So will you, that is why it is said a and the is not used with a proper noun or uncountable nouns or abstract nouns. But when it is made particular, when it is made as particular, then the can be used. Suppose I give you one example, like if I say uncountable noun or material noun, sugar. Sugar is countable? No. Sugar. So one example is there, I need sugar. Do I use any articles? Did I use any articles in this? No. So this is not used. But in the same time, if I say a sentence, please pass me the sugar in the jar. Pass me the sugar. So I am talking about particular sugar. That is why the is placed over there. So in that case, the will be placed. One more example of abstract. Water. We need water for drinking. We need water for drinking. Is there any article in this? No. But in the other case, the water we use for drinking must be pure. The water. Why the water? Because we are talking about some specific water, drinking water. So that is why the water. When we are talking about particular thing, then it can be used. Otherwise, a and the is not used with a proper noun or uncountable nouns or abstract nouns. Clear, children? Okay.